Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to go over dropshipping myths I used to believe until I picked the right dropshipping partner. We're going to jump right into this, and there's no doubt about it. Your dropship partner is super, super important. It's not just an app that you sign up for. It's not just an integration into your Shopify store. It's a true business partner. And when it comes to picking the right partner, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. And there's no doubt there's a lot of myths, a lot of misinformation out there about dropshipping. People will tell you, the shipping is super slow and it comes from China and the products have no good images and you can't add them to your store and it doesn't look good and all the products are low quality and they're cheap and you just can't make any money off of these really kind of cheap little widgets. All of those are myths. If you pick the right dropshipping partner, you're going to literally be able to avoid all of the typical issues that unsuccessful dropshippers face. Because let's face it, there are some dropship partners that have very slow shipping. There are some dropship partners that don't provide good product images, and there are some dropship partners that just don't have good products. But again, if you pick the right partner, and it's super important to pick the right partner, you'll be able to avoid that. And that's why I highly recommend Doba. If you've been following my YouTube channel at all, you've seen I make a lot of content showing how I use Doba in my dropshipping stores because it's by far the number one option when it comes to Shopify dropshipping. There's no better partner out there, and I highly, highly recommend them. And I'm sure that you've faced some of these myths, or you might even still believe these myths right now. I'm going to disprove each and every one of them, and I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly how you could bust past any of these kind of thought-limiting myths. And number one, shipping always very slow. Right, that's probably the first thing that people tell you about dropshipping. Customers expect Amazon shipping, and if you can't get the product to someone within 12 hours, they're going to be upset. Of course, that's what's expected on Amazon, and Amazon has changed the game in terms of shipping, especially in the US. But that doesn't mean that every single company ships with, Amazon Prime speed. Plenty of companies exist with just fair traditional shipping. And that's what you're going to get when you pick the right dropshipping partner. Shipping is always very slow. Well, there's actually tons and tons and tons of dropship products from Doba that get shipped from the USA. So you don't need to wait for China. You don't need to wait for ePacket. You don't need to wait for, special shipping lines. A lot of these products, especially the big winners, coming right from the USA. So we're talking about 2, 3, 4, 5 day shipping times in the US, right? US customers are going to love your brand. They don't care that it's drop shipping. They just care that they get the product within a reasonable amount of time, right? They're not expecting prime level shipping from a Shopify store. But absolutely, you want to get the product to them quickly, and having dropship products shipped from the USA, that's a great way to do it. So I'm over here on the Doba site, and again, linked directly below this video. I'm going to come right over here to the ship from US section. And this is literally 480,000 plus products that ship directly from the US. Right, so you want to drop ship fast, you want to have all products come from the US, you could literally have 480,000 plus products from Doba, all shipping from the US. So you 1 business day, 2 business day, 2 business day, 3 business day, 1 business day, right? Talking about fast shipping. High quality products, great margins, great product imagery over here as well. This is an example of how you can drop ship with super fast shipping times when you pick a dropship partner that ships from the US. Number 2, the second myth, product images are poor quality, right? They say, I'm going to have to order products and get samples and take those samples to a photo shoot and then get models to, use my product and all that great stuff. That's not a true fact. The fact is, great dropship partners, they provide high quality imagery immediately. Literally, as soon as you add the product into your store, you're going to get all the great product imagery that's provided by Doba. And they always focus on having really high quality, high converting product images that fully explain the image, fully showcase the image, and really fully picture how much fun or how much enjoyment the customer is going to get when they buy that product. So high quality imagery happens all the time. We always see it with good dropship partners. And of course, it's super important for your product page, but it's a myth to think that product images are always going to be poor quality. Let's look at this example on Doba, right? You have great product imagery built in. It's not just a white background with the product in it, right? It actually shows it lifestyle imagery, show it being used, show details about the product, right? Focusing on the individual D-ring design, the nylon fabric, the metal buckle, right? Up close, zoomed in, right? Show more lifestyle, show reasons why the customer is going to want to buy this product and how they're going to feel. They're going to be super happy because the dog is safe, secured, controlled, happy, snug, right? Product images that help sell the product. That is common with Doba, and this is such a great example. All these images are going to get sent over into your product when you add this product into your Shopify store. So not only are you sourcing from Doba, and they have fast US shipping, but you're also getting the really high quality product imagery, right? Not just one or two basic product images. Full product images, lifestyle images, images that help sell your product with detail and features and emotion, right? A lot of dropship partners are just going to give you this single image, right? This is just one of 10 different images that you're getting here with Doba. And it all, like I said, gets added to your product automatically. Myth number 3, dropship products are cheap and low quality. That's a myth, right? You could dropship anything now. I mean, dropshipping is just a style of fulfillment. It doesn't talk at all about the quality of the product. In fact, you could have a store of all dropship products, and every single product could be, thousands of dollars each. Super high quality, mid-ticket products, high-ticket products, high-quality products, high-end products. You could dropship pretty much anything, and there are thousands upon thousands upon thousands of high-ticket items that ship from the USA just inside of Doba. So you can combine everything, right? Great product images, great fast shipping from the US, and you could sell high-ticket items with really high profit margins. So it's a total myth to think that you're only selling cheap, low-quality items on dropshipping. You could dropship high-end electronics, you could dropship motorbikes, you could dropship scooters, you could dropship furniture, right? Thousands of dollars of items individually, right? Could all be dropshipped, and they all have high reviews, they have great quality, and this happens when you pick the right dropship supplier. Sure, some dropship partners might only have, $1 and $2 small items that you're not going to make any money on. But others have, $1,000 plus items, high quality electronics, and highly desired products that have high tickets and high profit margins that not only are going to make your customers happy, but are going to make you a lot of money. How about some high ticket products? You think we're only going to have $1 or $2 items over here? How about these electronic bikes? $1,300, $1,000, $1,100, $730, right? All these different high ticket products. We click into one of them. You see that the MSRP is $1,250. So over $500 in profit, right? Over $500 in profit just from drop shipping this one product. You see it free ships from the United States, takes about 3 to 7 days. So you want to start an e-bike store that ships from the US, guess what? You could do it with Doba, and you can make $520 every single time you sell this product, and it's fully drop shipped automatically by Doba. Great US-based shipping, great product imagery, super high ticket, high quality products available as well that can make you a ton of money. So that's why I recommend Doba dropshipping. You see the link directly below this video. If you have any questions about Doba whatsoever, please leave a comment. I'll make sure I personally answer each and every single one of them. And again, you see the link directly below this video. Jump into Doba, get some of these amazing products in your store, and really remember that these myths are just that. They're just myths. They're not facts. You can build an amazing business with Doba dropshipping and Shopify, and I really hope this video helps you make a ton of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.